Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing the Supreme boxers. So these are a collaboration with Hanes and Supreme in heather gray, but the elastic part up here is red, so I really like that. Here's what the back of the packaging looks like. Color is in heather gray. If you checked out my previous unboxing videos, you'll see this completes my entire outfit of boxer briefs, socks, and shirts. That's all I wear all day, every day. Let's go. All right, check it out. Wow, these look nice. So heather gray on the bottom, Supreme on the elastic band, all over print on the top. Super designer, you know, with Hanes. Yeah, that's cool. I really like these for my everyday normal gym outfits, all that good stuff. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Please follow and subscribe and like and all that for more Supreme content coming soon. Got a good haul that I'm unboxing now. All right, everyone, take care. Later.